Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is me Atika Bedr, and in my second class I am going to discuss about formalism, which is a part of literary theory. So without any further ado, let's begin the session. So what formalism is? Formalism is a school of literary criticism and literary theory having mainly to do with structural purposes of a particular text. It is the study of a text without taking into account any outside influence. Formalism rejects or sometimes simply brackets notion of culture or societal influence, authorship and content, and instead focuses on modes, genres, discourse and forms. So, this is what Wikipedia says what formalism is all about. It simply means the formalist refers to a style of inquiry that focuses exclusively on features of literary text itself, and the formalist critic never focused on text historical background, what movement was going on, and what the author was thinking while writing a specific piece of work. It basically focuses on objects or text-centered theory. It only focuses on a specific piece of work and do not focuses on author's historical background. So, formalism developed in different parts of work separately and independently. It was never a unified movement and it had not a specific goal set. It was first emerged in parts of Eastern Europe, mainly Russia and Poland, in the early 20th century. And there are three critical movements related with formalism movement. First one is Russian School of Formalism, 1910 to 1930, which was led by members of Prague linguistic circles. So the first is Russian School of Formalism, which was continued by members of Prague linguistic circles, and it was suppressed by the Soviet in the 1930s. And the second is New Criticism, which emphasized close reading. So about New Criticism we have discussed in our previous class. And the third is Structuralism, a dominant trend in mid-century France. Inshallah, we will discuss it later in our next class. So, the Russian formalist movement consisted of two distinct scholarly groups. Today in this lecture, we will discuss about Russian formalism and the notable scholars of formalist movement, which is very important from that perspective. So, the first scholarly group was the Moscow Linguistic Circle, which was founded by Roman Jakobson in 1915 and included Grigory Winker and Peter Bogatyov. And the second one is Opojaz, Society for the Study of Poetic Language, which held by the scholars like Viktor Shaklovsky, Boris Ikengum, Viktor Vangrodov. Let's discuss the major scholars and their works. The first one is Viktor Shaklovsky. His major work was On the Theory of Prose, 1925, The Technique of the Writer's Craft, and Art as Device. It was also translated as Art as Technique. So in these works, Shaklovsky argued that literature is a collection of stylistic and formal devices that force the reader to view the world afresh by presenting old ideas or mundane experiences in new, unusual ways. His concept of Austrain or making it strange was his chief contribution to Russian formalist theory. And the second one is Boris Ikengum, The Theory of Formal Method, which was published in 1926. It explains the evolution of the central principles of formalist theory. And the last one is Roman Jakobson. Is two aspects of language and two types of aphasic disturbance was published in 1956, and Fundamental of Language Communication Theory. His most important contribution to formalism is the concept of literariness, which distinguished the poetic or literary language from normal discourses. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe for more videos and also like, share and comment. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.